Guys, welcome to my apple plantation. They're just falling down. No one is picking up, no one is eating. You see? See? This is the plantation apple of the Big Apple here in Cobourg, Ontario. Look at that, guys. Gusto nyo apple? Pick up na kayo. Look, hitik na hitik sa bunga. Unlimited. There's no sign, hindi ka pwedeng manguha. Manguha na kayo. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Look. Oh. Wow. Wow, apple. Lahat yan ng gandun apple. Yay! Look at how pretty it is. Nangabulok na lang yung iba. See? Dami. Doon pa, Sa Pilipinas, mahal ang apple. Sa Canada, nangabulok lang ang apple. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-akyat. Diba? Ang dami, guys. Season ng apple dito sa Big Apple. They are in the store. So me and Oli are walking around. What? See? Ang dami. This is the red apple. Come on, baby, let's go. Ayun pa, tingnan mo, namatay na siya. Ito, tingnan mo. Dito tayo. Oli, come here. Come, Oli, come. Come. Over here, baby. Ayaw niya. Dito, kamama. Oh my goodness, look at that. Napakaganda ng world. Thank you, Papa Jesus, for this wonderful world. World of apple. Look at that. Where you are taking, Mama? Nililid ako ng aso. Di ba? Para lang silang mga bulaklak. You wanna eat some apple? Pick ako ng isa, guys. Pick tayo ng maganda. Di ba? Come back na here. This is a big farm. We cannot finish it. Let's go na. Apple. Diba? Beautiful. You wanna pick an apple, guys? Diba? Oh, wait. Come. Look at that. Tignan mo, from the puno to taas. Mostly apple than the leaves. Diba? Wow. Pag di nyo pa na-appreciate ang ganda ng mundo, ewan ko na lang. Wow. Okay, let's go back here. Another tree of apple. Look. Wait lang, I'm going to pick a perfect one na hindi bulok. Come. There's another kind of apple here. I think this is the... Okay, let's go here. Here. And then, ito naman yung mga green apple. You can get some green apple on my left side. Ito mga to, green apple. Look. The red one is the beautiful color. See? See? Apple. Dito na muna tayo ulit magtambay. Look. Beautiful. You wanna eat something? Diba? Ayun sa taas. Look. From the pinakamataas going to pinakamababa. Look at that. What? Nice one. Okay, let's go to the other side. Go here, come. Okay. Look at this, guys. From the bottom, going paakyat. My goodness. Beautiful. Talaglag na lang. Walang kumakain. I get a perfect Uli, don't jump. Wala. This one is perfect. I'm gonna eat this one, guys. Thank you, apple tree. Okay, guys, this is my apple plantation. Oh, diba?